I personally think that everyone needs a bit more 16th note swing in their life, so here you go. 3, 4. 2 bars long. Most of it, honestly, once you've got it down, is not that bad. Don't be intimidated by what the hi-hat's doing. It's more simple than you might think. The foundation of this groove is just 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna play the snare drum in the right hand. Your ands, the in-between of these, is going to be on the hi-hat foot. Now, it's important to note that we're in a 16th note swing here, so we're not going... We're going... So, this becomes relevant when I tell you that we play a hi-hat on the of 1 and the of 3 while doing all the rest of the stuff. And that's your first bar down, and also the next 2 beats of bar 2. But once we get to beat 3 of bar 2, things change up. So get yourself to that point. Then what happens? We go 3 and up and. Because you've got that left foot happening that's always on the offbeat, it actually sorts out the open hi-hat for you, or should do. You can loop just that around as well if you like, but let's chuck it all together. 1, 2, 3. Very nice.